Bochi! It's springtime in the summertime here in the shop, and on the ramp we have a wee Suzuki, Swift, and we have a broken front spring. There's a bit of it there. So we'll throw a new spring in the front of it here. Connect everything that's connected to this bottom half of the strut, and this one we don't have to take the whole hub off, so there's two bolts here. We can disconnect the ABS wire, the brake hose, and the drop link. And some of these drop links, there's a couple of flats in the back. This one not so. This is a wee Allen key here, so we'll have to clean these threads up, give us a chance, and hook this, clean this Allen key hole out best we can. So we'll give it a bit of a dousing first. We'll clean this Allen key hole out here best we can. Engage safety squirts. Let's see if he's. There we go. That's the strut free onto the top. The top of the strut and this one resides below this plastic cowling, so we'll have to take that off. So I'll take away blades off. A few poppers. This cowling here is split in the middle here, so what we'll do is we'll take that off, put that to the side and see if this will come off just this half. Nah, I think we'll just take the rest of it off. Take the rest of those poppers out. Just take it all off, all at one. There we go. And now we can see what we're dealing with here. I'll just take this off and throw that aside. A second. There we go. We'll just buzz that, but not taking it off completely. Just leave it in a couple of threads. So if I take a weight of it from below with this hand, and then we'll take it out, we'll be able to unscrew that with a couple of threads and pull her out from below the arch. Bolt strut. Okay, we'll have her in the compressor, so over a pump. See if we can give her a bit of a squeeze. Got our safety chain here in case anything goes ping. That is well squeezed. Maybe even too much. Now we'll see if this will just buzz off, mate. So the way this goes, you have the top mount, you have a big thick washer, and you have a bearing. And you just make sure that bearing's okay. So that's the order of events. The other thing is this top thing isn't symmetrical. So I've taken note there's a hole here, and that hole lines up with the clamp, the two bolts that go into the strut at the bottom. So that is in line with that. So I've taken mental note of that. So that's the way she goes back there again. So we'll be able to take that top piece off. And release. Right, get the chain out of the way. Old spring out. New spring of my thing in. And safety chain off. Give her a bit of a squeeze. That'd be loads. And we'll just make sure that's tight there. It's dead on. It's that bolt is 50 newton meters if you need to know that. Our nut is 50 newton meters, so don't need this anymore. We'll get rid of that. We'll release. Take our chain off. There we go. That's her ready to go in again. Now we get rid of tape. And we'll just double check that. Grand. Into the wheel then, and we'll get this in. We'll get everything tightened up. I'll put the wheel on at this stage and put the weight on her. Just get this cap on here. I'm gonna get the rest of the trim on. These here we just have to push back up out again. So they're two separate pieces. We'll get that part in. And put a wee spot in. Get our vippers on. We'll just check out your ratchet. Stay on. Just check it. Not happy with that. We'll maybe bring the wiper up a wee bit so it goes a bit there. Yeah, that's a bit better. Just a few wee trim pieces to go. Get that wee button on there, and I'll put that on. Another one for the pail. Right, that's it then. Handy enough, I think. Take her for a wee test run. So that's it then. Front spring in a wee Suzuki. Dead handy if you've got the gear, you know. That fitted that coil spring compressor great. Even though it's wider at the bottom of the spring, it's not a symmetrical spring, so it's wider at the bottom and it's narrower at the top. So it can only go in the one way. And yeah, this car could probably do with alignment now. Just driving it here, it doesn't feel great. You know, sometimes you can get away with doing alignment, but I guess this one wasn't too great to start with. But there you are. So maybe get something out of that, and thanks for watching as ever. And yeah, all the best. Take care, and bye bye.